Hey friends, if you want to use the new task manager in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So open task manager in the Windows search bar and open task manager here. Now here's what you have to do. Earlier it was just about the processes and nothing else, but now it has an efficiency mode, and efficiency mode is a great option. Okay, it is enabled by default for a lot of what do we say applications, but if it is not, you can always use the efficiency mode. So in the efficiency mode, it will not cause high CPU usage. Now I'll explain this thing. Basically, earlier what used to happen was that people suffered from a problem called high CPU usage on their system, or high memory usage, or high disk usage, and this was a very serious problem. So in the task manager itself, Microsoft has introduced the efficiency mode, and in efficiency mode there will be a limit on the high intensity programs. Yes, it does not solve 100% of the cases, but it reduces them significantly. Now coming to the performance tab, you will have access to find the dynamic details of your CPU, memory, Wi-Fi, GPU and everything. Okay, and in this one, the app history tab, it can tell you the what do we say, usage history of each and every application, meaning how much they have used. The next one is the startups tab. Okay, and in the startups tab, you can enable or disable programs from the startup itself. And then you can go to the other next tab for the users to see the users which are logged in and which user is using how much CPU. Okay, after this you can get the details. The details are the same as the processes, but these details are static. The ones in the processes tab was dynamic details. And finally, you can manage the services here. You can also manage them from the service manager, but it is easy to start and stop the services from the task manager. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.